Alright. Pretty poor trading by me today. Sorry. Didn't really wait for my proper setups. Jumped the gun on a few. And then traded EXAS, which I actually like how it was moving. But the spread was just, it was way too wide for me. And it kind of fucked me up a little bit. So let's go over that first. It was good. Harmonious type of chart, long side. Just some daily moving averages to worry about down here. Other than that, it was good. So, opened up really strong. Low volume on the pullback. And I was looking for it to get in. I think I had a limit order at 111.30. And it didn't get filled. And then when I saw this higher low, I said, okay, so I just put a limit order in at like 11.90 or something like that. So I'd get in for sure. Got in, immediately sold off, slammed down, stopped me out. So that moved so fast. That was a little bit more than one risk. And I was willing a little bit more than I should have taken because it just jumped like 60 cents or something like that. Whatever. So we immediately get bought back up, and I re-enter. And this is a bad entry just because huge selling volume, low buying volume. Spread is still wide. I don't know why I'm trading it. It's just emotional. I mean, it looked like every setup looked alright to the long side, but it just was not. It certainly was not an A+ setup. So came up. I said, okay, nice. If it holds above 112 and tests 112 and then starts going up, I'll add. I didn't like how it looked, so I just got out. I made like $10 on that or something. So this was 1 hour loss here. Then MU I traded. MU looked beautiful. I know MU has earnings coming up. This was another bad trade though if you look at it into these moving averages. Yeah, this should have been a scalp off right here. But, so let's go into what I saw. In hindsight, this is a trade I shouldn't be taking. Look at this. But I was kind of eager after the previous loss. Trade loss, so. Strong opening. Pulls back to the moving average. Has perfect hammer, VWAP, and 9MA. So I looked at it right here. So I said, okay, I'm chasing it a little bit. So I got in here. Stop was below that body. Comes back. Gets rejected at 50. But it's not like, it falls off 50, but it gets bought up right away. So I was like, okay, thinking we have a lot of buying at 50. We're going to break through and have a, a little move up to at least 50.34, which was the daily level right there. So I add after this hammer here again, and I just didn't like how it looked, so I got out here. But I saw it wicked, and I was thinking, why did I get out? My stop was below this one. Okay, so sorry, let me go back. Right here, my stop is right here. It's about half hour risk. When I add, my stop gets moved to this candle, and it's about still half hour, maybe a little bit more than half hour. So what happens? I get stopped out here, and I think, why did I stop myself out? It didn't hit my level where I'm going to stop out. Nothing's changed. So I get back in. Smaller size here. This isn't like full size. And same thing happens. I just hate how it looks. So I get stopped out there. Looking back into it, moving averages, slanting. A bad trade, me being impatient and wanting to make the money back I lost. Not really waiting for my correct setups. It's a minus 2 hour day. Nothing was moving that great today. I don't even know if anything was. Once all this happened, I just got off my computer. Facebook looked like it got smashed down, chewy. This is a pretty good move if you caught it, but this is actually could have been a move where you could catch because, maybe not. I don't know. I would never have taken this like little 1 minute reversal, but all right, whatever. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow.